In data analysis expressions, what is filter context? Let me answer that question by first defining a measure. A measure named revenue has a formula which sums the values of the sales amount column from the sales table. It's about as simple as any measure could be. Now let's see what happens when the measure is used in a report design. Here you can see a single report page that has a category slicer and a matrix visual titled Reseller Revenue. The matrix groups by sales territory group, country and region on the rows, and reseller business type on the columns. All the values displayed in the matrix use the revenue measure. Remember, it's the sum of the sales amount column. Let me tell you that there are 80 revenue values displayed in the matrix. Each was calculated by using the exact same formula. So why then are the values different in each of the cells? It's because the measure was evaluated for each cell in a different filter context. Let's now consider one revenue value. In this cell, the revenue is about 2.85 million. Now let's understand the filters relevant to this cell. On the report page there's a slicer. It filters the category column from the product table by bikes. In the matrix visual, on the rows, there's a filter on the sales territory table group column for North America, and on the country column for United States, and on the region column for Southwest. On the matrix visual columns, there's a filter on the reseller table business type column for value-added reseller. Hidden from view in the filters pane, there's a page filter on the date table fiscal year column for fiscal year 2020, and a visual filter on the sales order table channel column for reseller. Each of these filters are contributing to define the filter context in which the revenue measure is evaluated. It's important to understand how filter context works. It'll help you define the right formula for your calculations. As you author more complex formulas, you'll identify times when you need to add, modify, or remove filters to achieve the desired calculation.